Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Thuong. I'm a Vietnamese girl living in Danang City, Vietnam. After my vacation in Hanoi, I returned to Danang. The weather in Danang recently is not very good. There are many rainy days. As you can see, today is also a rainy day. On rainy days, I don't cycling on a road bike. I only cycling around here on a folding bike if it rains a little. In December last year, the weather was fine, with many sunny and cloudy days. But this year is really different. The summer is very hot, and the rainy season is long. How is the weather where you are? Are there many changes? I am cycling towards the sea. Today the wind is very strong and is cold. It reminds me of life in Japan. The city we lived in was Nagoya. Is in central Japan. In this time, it's also very cold in Nagoya. I like cycling on day with weather like this. After cycling trips, I can eat dessert and hot desserts like oden, taiyaki, yakiimo, ramen, and many other foods. Cruz and I have had many Taiyaki rides. You can see them here. I really miss Japan. That's where we met and got married. That's also where I known about cycling and started cycling. As you probably know, I was born in a small village in Vietnamese countryside. Before I met my husband Cruz, my life was just going to school, going to work, and coming home. The means of transport I often use are motorbike, bus, train, and bicycle. The bicycle here are just like this mamachari, bicycle for going shopping. After meet my husband, I understood more about this sport. It makes me healthier and more concerned about my health. I have a post on my Instagram. I ask, why do you cycling? There are many people who have shared their thoughts. They said they want to be healthier, they want to save money, they want to protect the earth. In the past, the reason I cycle was because it's interesting and wanted to share the same hobbies as Cruz, my husband. Right now, I also have the same thoughts as them. What about you? What is your reason for cycling? Please tell me why you're cycling in the comments, okay? Returning to the weather topic at the beginning, after days of having to stay indoors because of the rain, today I want to ride my bike to relax and eat taiyaki. Near my house, there is a taiyaki shop. Let's go there and buy them with me. Let's go! arrived. This is the Taiyaki shop I was talking about. This shop only open in the evening. There are many flavors, but I only like the red bean flavor here. I ordered 2 red bean flavor. The price of each cake is 7,000 Vietnam dong, about 30 US cents. There are many customers right now, so I have to wait a bit. My taiyaki is ready. It's not as big and delicious as I ate in Japan, but it makes me less mad about Japan. I hope before I'm moving to America, I can travel to Japan again. Thank you for watching the video and listening my story. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Bye!